How to choose a legal marketing company that doesn't rip you off again. Okay, so many lawyers have been ripped off from legal marketing companies nationwide, and I came up with a couple of thoughts around this topic as to how to prevent that problem from happening again. The two biggest things that are important to me when it comes to a quality legal marketing company is critical thinking and attention to detail. So critical thinking and attention to detail, what do these two things mean? Well, and I guess there's a third one, is owning your website data. That's a given. If anybody, any of these law firm marketing companies try to own your website, and you can probably think of a couple companies in mind who do, run, okay? It's freaking 2019. You need to own your data, okay? Like, your data is the most valuable thing in your law firm's internet marketing strategy, because you can look at what worked, you own the data, you know what keywords are working, you know what audience segments work the best. So make sure you own your data, that's a given. But the two other things is critical thinking and attention to detail. So critical thinking, what do I mean by that? You want to vet internet marketing companies from a perspective of, are these guys critically thinking about my niche? Okay? Are they critically thinking about my niche? Are they critically thinking about my particular case targets? Okay? So are they thinking about my niche, my particular case targets? Are they going to get creative? Or are they going to try and plug me into a model that works for them? That's not what you want, okay? You want to work with a legal marketing company that's going to show you how they critically think through their campaigns. So one thing you can ask the sales rep, or you preferably would want to talk to the account manager that you'll actually be dealing with at the marketing company. You would want to ask them, how will you be critically thinking through my campaign in the setup phase? The highest value task, okay, in law firm marketing is in the strategy and setup, okay? I always say law firm marketing is not rocket science. It's science, okay? It's science, but it's creativity, critical thinking applied to science. Anybody can go and try to get backlinks and write quality blog posts, right? But if the strategy's off, it doesn't matter if you write quality blog posts on, payment plans for divorce law if you're a high-end divorce lawyer, right? It doesn't matter how well written that blog post is, the strategy's off. The highest, I say it's a $10,000 an hour task, is the strategy of your internet marketing initiatives. So the biggest thing I would vet a company on is, how do you go about critically thinking through achieving my objectives through your marketing plans? And if they have a complete coined answer, right, you should probably think about that. Why would they have a coined answer? The only way for them to gain more clarity on that would be to ask you more questions on, well, what do you want, right? Or what did you do in the past that didn't work? Or what impact are you looking to have? What would make this a successful campaign for you, right? Curiosity needs to be engaged when a question like that is asked. But this is a gut feeling too, right? The gut feeling comes from, are they going to get creative for a small law firm? Right? A small law firm, I mean, if you have under, 5 attorneys at your law firm, you're going to need a legal marketing. If you're going to stick with a legal marketing company, you're going to need that company to be creative and critically thinking, to bid on, to go after lower competition keywords, long tails, getting creative on social, doing retargeting. The smaller a law firm you are, the more creative you have to get with your marketing to see an ROI. The big firms can waste money, can waste tons of money, right? That's one thing, is vetting a legal marketing company for critical thinking. The next is attention to detail. Attention to detail is a core value at our company, actually. Master the details is one of our 8 core values, which you can see on our website. What does that look like? Okay, well, you can have the best strategy in the world, and you can have a legal marketing company, set up your phone numbers on your campaign and send them to the wrong firm, right? And do this beautiful immaculate strategy and have a misspelling on an ad, or have this beautiful immaculate strategy and link back to the wrong website in the backlinking post that they create. So attention to detail is vetted two ways. One, you ask them what is their audit process, right? When you ask an internet marketing company what their audit process is, that is important. Now, usually if you're talking to a salesperson, they're going to have to get a manager, which is a good thing. You want to be talking to more people than the salesperson, right? To be vetting this all out. If you sense that there's attention to detail, okay, another thing you can do is look at other client websites of theirs and see, did they follow attention to detail on that website? But nonetheless, the two things you need to get a good gut feeling for is critical thinking, okay, attention to detail. Okay, if you sense those two things from an internet marketing company that has experience in your practice area and experience in legal, it's probably going to be leaning towards being a better fit for you than a set it and forget it mass marketing company that's not going to be putting in the critical thought you need to see the right results for your campaign. Another thing would be how proactive are they, but I can make another video on that. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you never get ripped off by a legal marketing company. If you have in the past, use these two tips to prevent that from happening ever again. A lot of this game is through gut feeling, but you have to ask the right questions to gauge the right gut feeling towards a legal internet marketing company. So if this was helpful, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave me a comment. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to get back to you. And if you're looking for a free legal marketing consultation, go to smbteam.com, smbteam.com/law firms if you want to go to our law firm page, and just submit your information for a free consultation. We can get the ball rolling on that. Otherwise, don't get ripped off ever again, or ever if you haven't already. Thanks.